In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix a HP Deskjet printer note scanning. If you are using a USB cable for the scanning, then you have to make sure you are connected with the USB cable and with your printer properly. And the second thing is, if you scan using a mobile device or a MacBook or a computer using a HP Smart app, but when you go to the scanning and if you click on the scan button, it won't scan. And the reason is like you are not signed in into your HP account. Now the HP has made it necessary to sign in into a HP account. So you have to create a HP account or you have to sign in if you have already done so. And once you signed in, then you can start using the scanning app. In your laptop or a MacBook, if you don't use HP Smart app, then you need to download the drivers from the HP. Make sure you have downloaded the complete drivers. Only then you can start using the scanning app. For example, a Windows Scan app or scanning using the MacBook. So these are the common things which you can work on if your printer is not scanning, and you can fix them. Thanks for watching.